Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change contribution amount on Health Equity. If you want to save more or less money in your HSA, this video is for you. Most Health Equity contribution comes from payroll. This means you usually cannot change the amount directly inside Health Equity. You change it through your employees or payroll system. Go to your employee benefit portal or payroll system. This could be your HR website, benefit app, or enrollment platform. Look for HSA contribution or health saving amount. Enter the new amount you want to contribute per paycheck. Double check that it says within the annual IRS HSA limit. Save or submit the change. Change usually take effect on your next paycheck or the one after that. Once processed, the update amount will appear in your Health Equity account. If you make manual contributions, log into Health Equity, go to contribution and adjust how much transfer from your bank. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.